What vegetables can you plant in December? Welcome to Gardening with Ben, everybody, and in today's episode we're going to talk about everything that you can plant in December. Yes, it may be cold, but there's still plenty of things that you can be planting ready for next year. So let's start off with the things what we can plant outside at this time of year. You've still got time to be planting garlic. If you've not got some garlic in, get some in, as it's great, it's easy to grow. You just put it in the soil, in the cloves, in the row, and that'll be ready to harvest next June, July time, and hopefully a great crop. Next up are onion sets. Again, if you've not got any onions in yet, have a look around in the garden centres. You might still be able to buy some and get some in the ground. Now, as well as onions, you can also plant shallots as well. Shallots can be planted at this time of year. Again, make sure that they're the autumn variety when planting them. And finally, what else you can plant in the ground are broad beans, but it needs to be a variety like Aquadulus Claudia, as these are winter hardy varieties, and these will be ready to harvest before the black fly appear, so you won't get none of that black fly that you'd get if you sowed them in March time when you usually harvested them in July. So these will be ready to harvest before the black fly appear at the allotment. Now, what can we sow under cover in the polytunnel or greenhouse? If you're growing stuff in your polytunnel through the winter period, these are great things to be growing, and hopefully we're going to be growing some in the polytunnel next winter when we make it more of a growing space area. First up are winter lettuces like Arctic King and Winter Gem. These can be grown in the polytunnel throughout the winter period and harvest them as well and get some great crops. Next up is spinach. If you want to be big and strong like Popeye, grow some spinach, but they need to be winter hardy variety types. So when you're looking for the varieties, make sure you look for the winter hardy varieties. Next up is chard. You can start some small sowings off to overwinter throughout the winter period in the polytunnel for harvesting next year. Next up is kale. The variety that you should be growing are a variety called baby leaf. These can be grown in the polytunnel and you can be harvesting the leaves throughout the winter period. Next up is pak choi for small cut leaves. Again, obviously you need to grow them in the ground in the polytunnel, but you can get some great rewards and some great crops from them. And finally, you can also sow some spring onions. Again, these need to be winter hardy varieties, and they need to be like White Lisbon or winter hardy variety. So that's the varieties that you should be growing if you're growing them in the polytunnel, and you can get some great crops from them. So yes, it may be cold, it may be wet, but there's still certain things that you can be growing down at the allotment. Now, perennial vegetables. What perennial vegetables can you be planting at this time of year? First up are asparagus crowns, but these only need to be planted in very mild areas or warmed soil. But the best time to be planting your asparagus crowns is usually around February, April. So if it's not that mild where you are, make sure you stay and wait until February, April time. Next up are rhubarb crowns. Now, these are best planted when they're dormant, so this is a perfect time to be doing it, but only if the ground isn't frozen, if it's workable. And yeah, get them in the ground, get them ready in place, but don't harvest them for the first year. Let the crowns grow, let the roots grow, and then harvest them the year after. I know it's tempting to pick it when you see it, but yeah, you'll get better rewards if you leave it for a year and then pick it the year after. And then finally is Jerusalem artichokes. These, again, if the ground is workable, get them in the ground and get them planted, and hopefully get some great crops in years to come. So that is all the vegetables that you can plant in December down at the allotment and in the garden. Let me know if you're going to be growing anything. But until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.